Teachers, now we can check how to correct the notebook in mobile. Okay, we corrected notebook in laptop using DocHub. After correcting the notebook, we are sending these notes as a link in DocHub. Okay, not directly as a page. That is one drawback. And one more thing is, it is very difficult to correct by using the mouse to tick or to write something. It is very difficult, but all this drawback will be solved if you correct in mobile. I will show you how to correct your Google Classroom files, Google Classroom notes which have been sent by the children, okay, in mobile. For that, first we have to do is your official email ID must attach with your Google account in mobile. To install email ID, go to settings. Okay, settings, open settings. Then you can see Google account. Okay, go down, you can see Google and Google settings open. This is Google settings. When you open Google settings, you can see on top of this window you can see that one email ID active. So click there. When you click there, you can see all the email IDs installed in that mobile. There are 5 or 6. Below that, add another account is there, and click there. Then it will checking info. It will check the information about the email ID, and it will ask which email ID we have to install. So there is a place to type your new email ID. You type the email ID there. After typing the email, you click next button. Then it will ask its password. Type the password correctly. Then it will ask to agree. Okay, click in the I agree button. Then accept the button. Okay, it is finished. That email ID installed. Okay, attached with the Google account. You can see that new email ID there. This is the method to install or attach the email ID, new email ID to the Google. Now I'm going to open my classroom in my official email ID. Okay, this is a classroom icon. I'm going to open this. This is my official email ID. How to confirm this? By seeing the classroom, you can understand this is official classroom. But some teachers have made lots of classrooms in their personal email ID also. So to confirm that, click in that 3 minus settings. Okay, this is a settings page. Okay, so when you click there, you can see that all the details, all the classrooms and other things. Here on top you can see the email ID by using which email ID the classroom opened. That email ID you can see on top. Okay, so click there on the email ID. Then you can see all the email IDs which attached to the Google in this mobile. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 email IDs I have attached. Okay, in this jayan.kr@choice school. This is my official email, so no problem. I am clicking outside. Now I will show you how to correct the notebook. Already I have corrected all the notebook which I have got from the children, but only to show you, I will open one classroom. For example, 10A. When open this, you can see like this, and I will take that assignment for the notebook. This much work I have given them. Okay, this is new assignment, Shuji Pariyavaranam notes to be uploaded. Okay, at the time of notebook correction, so one thing you have to keep in mind, through the classroom you have to send one assignment. You have to send one assignment to upload the notes to the teacher, to the teachers into the classroom. By using that link only, they have to upload the notes. Otherwise, what will happen now? All the notes will come in here and there, and all the other children can see all the notebook. Okay, all the children's notebook others can see. I think that you know. I will show you how to send that link. Just before upload the images, children should get one link. Only through that link children should upload the images of notebook. That assignment link, how can we send? Okay, I will show you how to send that assignment link to the children. I will show you. First, you open the particular class. You open that classwork. In classwork, you go and you click in the create button. In create button, you make assignment. In assignment, simply type chapter. Hey children, upload your notebook chapter name. Okay, here you type a chapter name and one message. Also type upload your notes, and you can make 10 points or whatever. Okay, if it is not point ungraded unmarked, you can do that. Otherwise, I am doing always 10 mark for notebook. And in new due date also we can give a due date, and topic also we can select which chapter that topic. If it is not there, we have type there how. So add a topic, click add a topic and type that chapter name. Here I am Chujibaryavarnam. Okay, I am typing and saving. So this is the assignment. After that you send to the children. Only after typing one heading only it will activate. Okay, then if you send it will go to the children. By using that link only they have to send a notebook. Okay, when children opening their classroom, they can see the link. Okay, that assignment link which you send to the children to upload notebook. They will open that and they can see add or create button, and when they click the add button, they can upload their image to the classroom. That image, okay, that class notes image they can send it to the classroom. After getting the notebook images, teachers can correct these images in your mobile. Okay, that I will show you. I am showing that how to correct it. I am going to the stream page. This is a one assignment to collect notebook. Okay, this is chapter Shuchibariyavaran notes to be uploaded. See, total I have 20 children and 19 children sent their notes. I created also, and here I am opening that page. I am selecting one child page. Okay, Sanjana. When you open the page, you can see one page file only there. Okay, this is second file. Actually I have corrected and sent it back. No, that file is here. Actually when you open the file, you can see only one file there. And one more thing, teachers, when they send notebook images, they have to send as a single file. For example, one chapter note maybe more than 5 pages or 6 pages or 7 images are there. Tell the children don't send this image separately. Okay, tell them to send as a single file. Okay, all the images together. That also I will show you how to in another video. Okay, I'll send you one more video how to merge it together. Here my child from 10A, actually 10A children will do all these things perfectly because I have trained them. I have given training how to make it together and how to send it. Okay, so they will send properly. So when they send, I can see only one file here. When I open that note, see, I can see 1 2 3 4 pages together. Okay, at a stretch we can correct together full pages. Okay, otherwise after correcting one page, we have to save it, then go open the second page, then again we have to save it and return it, then third page. It is very difficult to the teachers. Okay, so that's why tell them to send the notes as a single file. It is very easy. And after opening this, you can see a pen tool. Okay, on top of this page you can see one pen tool, and you click there, opened. See, first page is second page, third page, fourth page. See, by clicking in the navigation button, you can go to any page. This is the first page. Sometimes children will send first page will be last, sometimes the first page will be in between. Okay, that no problem, we can go to that first page, then we can correct it. So this is first page. So if you want to increase the size of the page by using the two finger, okay, by using two finger you can increase the page. And if you want to correct a particular word properly, you can increase that area. And you can see one pen here. So touch that pen color. You can select any color from this color pan and select red. If it is not red, you select red color, and the thickness of the line also we can select from here. Okay, I am usually taking the second one. Okay, so now it is ready. So if it is any problem in this word, we can correct it there. and you reduce the page, and by you how to move the page, by using two finger you can move like this. Two finger you can move. Okay, one finger, if you, what will happen if you use one finger, one mark will come there because the pen selected. Okay, so if you mark accidentally on the page, you click in the this button, that is undo button. Okay, you click there, the undo, that marking will go. And this page, okay, I am correcting this one like this, and this also correct. So I am going to second page, reducing to show all page. This is also okay, this is also okay. So simply I am showing you. Okay, not reading. Then going to next page. If you want to correct any word, you can increase the size, and you can do that. See, or minute correction also you can do. That's a benefit of this. Minute correction also you can do by maximizing the page. Okay, this page I am correcting. Go to the next page, last page also. Okay, after correction we can do the signature, and we can give the date also. We can give the date also like this. Okay, after correction, you listen, after the correction you click here. Here you can see three dots. Okay, you click there. When you click there, you will get one option, save. You click that save button. When you click save button, the Google Classroom will save one extra file, additional file for that notes. See, Sanjana Sanskrit Shujipatiyavara notes PDF she sent. After coming the second edited file here, you give the mark if you want to give. Okay, I am giving mark for notebook also, that's why I am marking here and giving mark here. And after that, don't forget to return, then only children can see what all corrections we did there. Okay, after correction, after giving mark, you click in the return button, then only you can see they can see their correction. Okay, now I am not returning because already I have sent. Okay, I am removing that one, and this is the method to correct. Teachers, very easy. I will show you once more. Go to assignment page, open one child notebook, and when you open the notebook, you can see, when you open this page, you can see one pen here. So here it will come, and after correction you select a pen also. Okay, don't forget that. After that, next page, and then after the next page, so it is okay, finished. So here maximize, so we can signature, then we can write date also. After that, click save. So save ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ that extra page, edited page will come here. It has come, then giving mark. After that, we are clicking the return button. Okay, don't forget, this is the correction. Very easy to correct in mobile. Teachers, you try the correction in mobile itself. Okay, then I'm using Samsung phone. Maybe some slight changes will be there in the options. Okay, but I think all the mobile it is like that. If you have any doubt when you open the file in mobile, you call me. Okay, teachers, if I know, I will correct it. This is the method to correct the note in mobile. Teachers, you practice. Thank you.